In Python, f-strings or formatted string literals are a way to format strings, using the f prefix. They allow embedding expressions or variables inside curly braces directly within the string. In a simple print statement, anything written inside double quotes is printed exactly as it is. Whether it's a string, letters, or special characters, the output will match the text inside the quotes. You can see the output of this code is the same as we have written in the double quotes. Suppose we have a variable named val1 that stores a string value. If we write the variable inside double quotes, it will not display the variable's value. Instead, it will print the exact text, val1, as we learned earlier. To print the value of a variable, we need to place the variable outside the double quotes. We don't need to use curly braces, we can simply write the variable name directly. By using the powerful f-string literal, we can include variables inside double quotes. Simply place the letter f before the quotes, and you can use variables anywhere within the string. Instead of printing the variable name as text, it will display the variable's value. If we have multiple variables that we want to use in a print statement, we don't need to place each variable outside the double quotes. With an f-string, we can include variables directly inside the quotes. And their values will be printed automatically. We can also use expressions to perform calculations within a print statement. For example, if we have two variables, val1 and val2, and we want to find their sum, we can use the plus operator to add val1 and val2. We can also call a function within the print statement. For example, let's define a function named greeting that returns the message Python is powerful when called. In the print statement, we can call this function inside the double quotes to display the returned message. So, friends, this is how we can use the powerful f-string literal with the print statement to include expressions or variables inside double quotes without any issues.